So I'm not even sure this will work, but we kind of banged on our thing a little bit. Again, I want to shift his weight over and just get him used to some of this stuff. Again, I'd rather him not get in trouble here if we can help it. And just get him more used to it. But he seems to be doing a good job, and I hope the video gets it some. And again, I don't necessarily have to do all 4 feet here. We kind of moved over so we won't see it anymore. I'm pretty happy with that. So at this point I weigh, is it worth going on? I would remember that I did his left feet first yesterday. Come back and check him out, either when I finish or next ride. Either one, doesn't matter. Again, it's about building a relationship little by little over time. I hope you guys enjoy this. Again, thank you for spending your time to watch and learn a little bit. Look forward to hearing your comments. Happy trails. Enjoy the journey. Find peace.